this will be the cutest little unboxing ever, and it's a simple washable air filter for a vacuum cleaner that will be linked in the description. So the vacuum cleaner model is TESV18LI, and I bought this little thingy because that filter gets clogged really fast. This is a really good vacuum cleaner. I really like it. We use it a lot, but the filter is really small, and although it uses a cyclone to keep big debris out of the filter and also has a metal mesh with small perforations, a lot of fine dust and particles still reach this, and I will show you what it means to try and blow into that thing to clean it. So what I want is to have one of these thingies, and every single time I open this up to remove what it gathered inside, I will simply replace this and deal with cleaning the spare one later. And I will cycle through these things, and I will always make sure I have a clean one, but I will wash it, because if I try to blow it, next I will show you what's happening when I try to blow air through that thing. I can clean it, but it's not pretty at all. But yeah, sorry, got carried away, and I didn't really show you this little thingy. Yeah, that's about it. That's all she wrote. Just a little simple spare part to make something, a vacuum cleaner, perform a little bit better overall, because it will always have a perfectly clean filter. And this is how the filter looks like after being used in the vacuum for a while. And yeah, obviously I prefer to wash it out instead of just blowing air through it, because dust will get everywhere and it will basically cover me when cleaning. So this is why I want this one. Then I can wash this out and let it dry, because you do not want to run it when it's still a bit wet. Water will get into your motor compartment of the vacuum and you might cause problems. So it's better to have one and just swap it, clean this one out, let it dry, then swap it in place of this one, then clean this one, and yeah. But now, for our fun, let's blow this with air so you can see exactly how much is in there. So I hope my choice is obvious now, and this thing is still not clean. So I really need to wash it, but then this is off duty until it properly dries, and it needs to stay disassembled until it dries. Not anymore. Just pop this in, pop it in there, lock it in place, and it's done. And I will have this ready for next time. So yeah, that's about it. Hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.